Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very super cute quilling turtle showpiece. Isn't it cute? And the body of this turtle is created using balloon. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need some 3 mm strips, quilling mold, quilling tool, liquid glue, small size balloon and scissor. First I am starting with my first shape. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one tight coil. For whole project I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So tight coil is ready. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one leaf shape. We just need to pinch on top and bottom so that the center should look like a circle. Now I'm taking this small size balloon which is approximately the size of my palm, and in the center I am adding this yellow tight coil which is made using one strip, and around this I will add green color tight coils. Then I am adding yellow leaves between each green tight coil. Like this. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of light green color and making one triangle shape. So first I am creating a teardrop shape. Then just push it on the table so you will get a triangle. Now I am filling this gap between each leaf shape with light green color triangle. Then around this I am making one row using yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip. Now I am taking one strip of dark green color and making one Malaysian flower petal, and I will wrap this petal using light green color strip. Like this. Now take back your balloon and I am adding these Malaysian flower petals alternatively. That is, I am skipping one tight coil of yellow color each time. So this is done. Now I am filling this gap between each Malaysian flower petal with white color teardrop shapes. I have used 1/4 strip of white color to create these small teardrops. Now I am adding these light green color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip. And then I am starting with my last row. Here I am adding yellow color tight coils. For this I have used half strip of yellow color. So the basic shape is completely done. Now I am filling each and every gap using my liquid glue. So in total you need to cover this whole dome shape using this liquid adhesive so that it will become very strong and sturdy. Like this, I have covered the whole surface with the glue. Now allow it to dry for 1 day completely. Don't touch till that time. So it's completely dried. I have kept it for overnight. Now I am popping the balloon slowly from this shape. Do it very carefully and it will come very easily. This is very satisfying, isn't it? Yeah! So the beautiful dome is ready. Now I will show you how to create legs. For this I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one bended teardrop shape. In the same way I have created one more bended teardrop. And this Malaysian flower petal is same as we created for the body of the turtle. Now I am adding these yellow teardrops on both sides of this Malaysian flower petal. Stick it very well. Then I am taking one strip of light green color and making one teardrop shape. Adding this teardrop on top of this Malaysian flower petal. And then I am adding some green color tight coils. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and I have created total 4 light green tight coils. So legs are ready, we need 4 legs. Now I am starting with the face. For this I am taking 8 light green and 4 yellow color strips and I am making one big dome. Now I'm taking my quilling mold and making a dome shape. Add glue inside this and spread it using brush. So face is ready. Now I'm taking 4 legs and face and I will connect it with the body using glue. I am holding this bottle on the base of the face to tilt it little bit. Now to create tail, I am taking one strip of yellow color and making one bended teardrop shape. Connecting the tail with the body. Now I am taking 2 small googly eyes, adding these eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can also create the eyes on white paper and just add little black dot on this. Super cute. I thoroughly enjoyed making this cute turtle. So the beautiful and super cute quilt turtle showpiece is ready. I am sure you will try it very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.